right. My project report is on OpenSSL, the heartbleed bug. The heartbleed bug is a genuine vulnerability in security of SSL encryption and in the cytographic library. Why the name heartbleed? There is an extension in the OpenSSL which is called heartbleed extension in the bug, as this bug was leaking the information from the memory. Who found the heartbleed? The bug was discovered by a team of engineers at Code Nominan, a Finland-based cybersecurity company. Why is this bug unique? Heartbleed exposes large amounts of leak to the internet, which include private key and confidential information, which can be easily attacked by various attackers and leave no identity of theft to the confidential information. Is our SSL/TLS protocol secure? The actual problem arises in the implementation while making mistake in programming of OpenSSL library. What is being leaked when the heartbleed occurs? When heartbleed occurs, security keys are used during the communication process along with private and confidential data. That is what is being leaked from the memory. How it works: the heartbleed impotent emerged on the ground that OpenSSL's usage of the heartbleed quality was feeling the loss of crucial defense. How to get recovery from heartbleed after you've been attacked? To recover from this bug, you need an updated patch which will stop vulnerability along with compromise security key and issue new security keys for communication. Are we being affected? This is like a question. Yes, everyone who has used the web browsing in the past has been affected by this bug directly or indirectly, because OpenSSL is very common. It's very common cytographic library which is used to provide security, to provide encryption in the internet traffic. How it spreads: the most outstanding program like OpenSSL security measures the open supply internet servers like Apache and NGINX. What is the status OpenSSL version? We have different versions of the OpenSSL. The OpenSSL 1.0.1 through 1.0, it's very vulnerable. So to get the ones that are not vulnerable, you go for OpenSSL 1.0.1G. Those are not vulnerable. And there is also OpenSSL 1.00 branch, OpenSSL 0.9.8 branch. Those are the OpenSSL versions that are not vulnerable. The code to fix the heartbleed bug, it's the OpenSSL 1.0.1G version. DOPNSSL no heartbleed. That's the code you can use to fix the heartbleed bug. It was given by the engineers that discovered the heartbleed. Can I detect heartbleed? As heartbleed bug doesn't leave any trace or any abnormal behavior, it is hard to identify heartbeat bug. Can intrusion detection system antivirus software help? As antivirus software and IDS can be programmed in such a way that they can detect heartbleed bug, but they cannot block it until they block all heartbeat services because of its encryption and privacy. What we can use to detect and prevent heartbleed bug. The safeguard highlight of the Code Nomican Defense Security Test to consequently test the objective framework for shortcoming that the trait of the honesty, protection, or well-being. What can be done to prevent this from happening in future? in our community, a lot of project going on open SSL, which is being used for the human to provide encryption and security to the data. Although there are errors in the earlier versions, which is fixed as well. So keep funding and supporting this kind of project, which will help society is and to make a society a safer place to live. Thank you.